Hello! In this video, I will show you how I made my apple and blueberry cookies. I made the cookies with pulp from juicing the apples, blueberries and coconut yogurt that turned out too sour. I hope you like it. A few days ago, I made apple juice, and as a byproduct, I got a lot of pulp that I'm going to use today to make these cookies. I added the coconut yogurt to the bowl. I left this yogurt too much time in the yogurt maker, and the fermentation made the yogurt too sour. It's good to eat, but too sour for me, so I use it for cooking. I added the oats and continue with mixing. I added some of my homemade macadamia nut butter, but any other butter will work. I added my homemade apple syrup to my taste. I made this syrup with only fresh cold pressed apple juice. If you do not have any homemade syrup, you can add honey, date paste, or maple syrup. I added spelt flour until the consistency was like cookie dough. The last ingredient added was blueberries, but any other fruit can be added. I mold the cookies with 2 spoons in a silicone sheet. I preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and baked the cookies for 45 minutes to 1 hour. These cookies are naturally soft on the inside, are rich in fiber and low in sugar. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.